Check this out. I got a new shipment in. A lot of these are spread out across seasons. I got some winter shit, I got some fall shit, and I got some summer shit. I got t-shirts, I got jackets, I got hoodies. All of it came at the same time because I tried to place an order so I could have everything come in. My biggest thing in the past were mistakes. As far as ordering things too late, I'll be in the summertime getting shit in for the summertime. No, I need to be getting shit in right now for the summer. And I'll be fucking December getting shit in for the wintertime. I don't need that. I need to have everything coming in before. So this is my first time to where I'm getting all my seasons in at once. And I still got more to go. I still got more hoodies, more sweatsuit sets, more jackets on the way. And I still got more t-shirts. T-shirts all year round. You feel me? So hey, we finna start unboxing this shit. And man, we finna see what is out here tonight.
Yeah. Coming second to none. On the dope run, 45 with a drum, tryna double up my funds, blowing out my lungs. I don't wanna do his own stunts in the streets, I'm Jackie 10 with a gun. Trap going dumb. If I add up all the bowls, I done sold dog, I been wearing up a ton. The pain made me numb. Only time I feel something is when I'm counting money and the paper hit my gums. I've been broken, been paid, getting this in the 10th grade, sliding in the big way. Looking like I'm sensei, I'ma get you something, call me Lil John.
It's an all over print. Oversized crop look. Real dope. This matches what's in style right now. This is the trend. Yeah. This is a real dope aesthetic. For my guys who like fashion and just want to look different, you put this on, man, you're gonna feel like a superstar. Put this on with some nice stacked jeans, some cool baggy jeans. Don't put no skinnies on with this. I mean, you could though, depends on how your body type. Yeah, from the back, I got these from extra large to what, 2, 3X, I think. You see, I got the tags in there. Get the hang tag. Yeah. I ain't finna show y'all the jackets, man. I'm just finna show y'all the t-shirts and shit. I ain't got time for this shit. But these are jackets though. I'm gonna make another video while I'm displaying the jackets, but it's finna be hot. It don't make no sense to goddamn do these jackets. Show y'all these motherfuckers. I'm gonna show y'all to y'all when the fall hit. Cause it can be a copy or ass designer watching my shit and I'll show you the fucking jacket. And now you got 6 months to make these fucking shit. You got 6 months to copy. Now I ain't finna show y'all this shit. Copying ass motherfuckers. It could be Sheen motherfuckers. The motherfuckers from Sheen, the motherfuckers from who else? Fashion Nova, motherfucking Temu. Be copying from designers and shit. And then making this shit at a high ass motherfucking quantity to where you got a low ass price. And then you motherfucking disgrace on the quality of the shit. So now you got some motherfucking shit. The fuck they do this? Oh, this is a sample. Okay, yeah. Oh, damn, they sent me a sample. All right, so hey, this is another sample right here. Okay. See, this is a remake, but a new manufacturer. Oh, they did that. They did this. I think it's they got a cheaper price. I know they produce faster though. Yeah, I'm fucking with this. Okay, so I ain't dropped this yet. This ain't even in this shipment. This coming next time though. So give it about another month. This will be here right here. And for those who don't know who this is Old Dirty Bastard, a rap legend. Shout out to the Wu-Tang Clan, ODB. You feel me? It's dope. And its quality is better than the last manufacturer. Yeah, we doing this. Yeah, I'm rocking with them. Let's place that order ASAP. But ladies and gentlemen, so now this is what I have in this box right here. This is an acid wash direct to garment print full top and bottom tee with the money with the hands. Hey man, Forever Hustle, we represent that dollar. I got the back. Every dollar counts. Get rich or die hustling. That's the slogan. Cause hey man, that's what I'm on. I'm gonna get rich or I'm gonna die hustling. I ain't down broke. I love this right here. So we got this in acid wash black, and we also got this in cream. This is dope. I actually thought these were oversized, but they're not. These are actually a regular fit, which make these even doper. Because if you want it oversized, just go up one size. So if you wear a medium, just get a large. If you wear small, get a medium. The other ones, they're gonna be oversized though. Them ODB shirts, they oversized. So yeah, design, big dollar sign, man. We represent big dollar Forever Hustle, man. And we got this on the back. And I got some cream stacked jeans that go perfect with this right here. Yeah, I can't wait. Then we got the designs on the side and designs on the front. As far as the tank. All right, check it out. I got 2 minutes left. I'm running out of fucking battery time. No, I'm actually running out of footage. I'm actually running out of memory on my memory card, but so I'm gonna show you this other shirt that I already recorded, but the shit didn't already deleted because I ain't have enough room, so I had to motherfucker do this shit again. But check this out though. This is the new t-shirt, another design. Yeah. Got the chain with the H on the lock. Represents that we locked in on this hustle. Then I got a saying on the back of some real shit. It says, "A dollar ain't just paper. It's proof of the grind. Every bill, every cent, every play, I make it count. Flipping, stacking, reinvesting, never moving reckless. Slow money, fast money, it all add up. It ain't no room for waste, ain't no time for luck. Every hustle got a purpose, every move got a plan. I represent the grind because I came from nothing. And I know $1 today can be 100 tomorrow, which is real shit. I don't blow it, I grow it. I don't beg, I go get it. From the streets to the boardroom, the mindset don't change. Because in this game, every dollar count. Forever fucking hustle. Got this in small through 3X. We represent real shit over here. But check this out though. I thought I had more t-shirt designs, but I don't. Which I'm glad I made this video because it just let me know I'm lacking. All this shit right here is hoodies, jackets, and sweatsuit sets. You feel me? So I'm already out the way for the fall and the winter. I need to get my summer gear right. I got football jerseys on the way, I got shorts on the way, and more t-shirts that I'm working on. So this just let me know I need to put an order in tonight. I ain't playing. So you got more shit you finna see on the way. Let's go.